Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll discuss about the instrument cluster of Tata Harrier. If you see this, this is the total instrument cluster. This is part digital and part analog. So the right side part, whatever you are seeing here, this is totally analog. This is the speedometer, and the left side here, this is the tachometer, and this is from here to here, it's a 7-inch digital instrument cluster. So we'll go through each and every option, like what all options are there and what is the meaning of those options. So first, let me tell you, as I have already mentioned in the title, that the hidden feature what I'll be showing to you guys is that I have seen many videos about this instrument cluster, but in none of the videos they have talked about this. We'll first walk through this option, and then later I'll go through all the other options which are very normal. First thing is, if you have to go to that option, then if you see there is a tick mark here. Okay, you have to long press on this for a few seconds, maybe 2 seconds. You need to long press, then you will get that option. So I'll be long pressing on this button now. See, now as soon as you long press on this button, you can see all the settings. So these settings are mainly related to the instrument cluster here. If you see here, we have units first. When you click on units, you can see the distance, whatever distance is there, you want that to be in kilometers per liter or miles per gallon. The next is temperature, so you want it to be in centigrade or Fahrenheit. Then you can set that accordingly here. This is another thing. And the other option what you have is illumination. This is basically the illumination you have. You can set the brightness of your instrument cluster from here. Right now the brightness is 20%. Third option you have is service reminder. So you want it to remind for service or not, you can just set the reminder here. So if you want to set it to yes, then just go to yes and then click on that OK button. These are the few important things which are hidden. We'll go back and then we'll now go through all the features one by one, whatever we have. So as I've already told you, this is the tachometer. This is the drive mode, whatever you see here, city, sport or eco, and this is the power and torque figures. This is a graphical representation of your power and torque consumed. Next is distance to empty. So this here you can find how many kilometers the car will still go. This is instant fuel economy, so this will show you the instant fuel economy. It is maxed out to 20 kilometers per liter. This is trip A details. So in trip A details, you will have the mileage you get and the average speed. This is average speed. This is the time I have taken to cover this distance, 1660 kilometers. This is trip B, and same details we have here. The time I took to cover this distance, and then the average speed I maintained. This is average fuel economy. And this is the fuel bar, and this is the odometer, and this is the temperature gauge, and this is the time. This is the outside temperature. Here if you see, this is a seatbelt reminder warning. This is for driver. If you see D is written over here, this is for driver, and if the passenger is not wearing seatbelt, then there is another indicator. Same kind of symbol you get this side. This is for parking. Yep. I think these are all the details which you need to know. That's it for this video. See you guys soon with a different video. Thank you so much for watching.